Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve backup on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve backup problem on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store, you can search about Telegram. If you'll find here updating this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your attention.